My name is Christoph Haug and I'm one of 3 managing directors here at Toolcraft. Our business is the production of components, of assemblies by different production technologies. So just 1 year ago we took the decision to start with the implementation of Siemens. The first step was the AM integration, and now we are about to integrate also the Sim Center portfolio. We are using FEM calculation, topology optimization and also the AM process simulation. At the moment we are planning the implementation of the MES MOM solution by Siemens. So the goal should be to be paperless along the process chain, and we want to collect useful data by the end of the process that we are able to submit a certificate to the customer with the part.
My name is Ralf Dumida. I'm the design engineer for additive manufacturing at Toolcraft. At Toolcraft we have AM design challenges almost every day. Our customers send us the part and our aim is to find the best solution for the customer. The benefits of Siemens NX are the consistent process chain which you can cover in the software. So we can start with modeling, you can go direct to the simulation tools. For example, the process simulation, the topology optimization, and you can verify the results of your topology optimization by FEM analysis. Siemens NX cover all these different applications in one software environment, and that's a huge benefit for the complete development process because you can save time and you can react to changes very quickly.
My name is Thomas Lender. I'm responsible for project management in injection molding and tool making. A big benefit for this manufacturing is the manufacture time from design to the first parts of tool, and the next benefit is simulation about cooling and mechanical strength, including the cycle time. We reduce the cycle time by 30% for this tool. The tool needs less energy for heating and cooling. It is easier to handle because it is lighter.
We always try to combine the benefits of AM technology with the functionality of the customer part. Therefore, it's absolutely necessary to work with a comprehensive software tool like Siemens NX.
2018 was definitely a very exciting year. We had huge expectations to Siemens. So far I can really say they are completely fulfilled, but we have some topics to do, and we believe that also we will have the same quality of collaboration that we had so far.